Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
This podcast is brought to you by the Jefferson County Department of Health.
Hello, everyone. This is Jarvis S. Scott with What's Happening in Birmingham. Today, I got the honor and pleasure and Happy New Year to everybody, since this is my first podcast of 2022. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm back with a familiar face, Tim Lewis. How's it going, Tim?
Hey, doing well, Jarvis. Happy New Year's to you, too. And what a joy to hear it is just to hang out with you for a few moments here.
Great. I apologize, everybody, with my hoarse voice, but I wanted to bring him on the podcast today to talk about this great event you got coming up on January 23rd. So, Tim, kind of tell us about the event.
Yeah, the event January 23rd is about for those jobbers who want to lose weight. And if you're interested in losing weight, want to get your health together, this is the event. We're going to be talking about how you can do it. We're going to have people sharing their testimonies, starting first with myself. I lost like 100 pounds. So I feel good, better than I did 30 years ago. So it's just a good thing. Got more energy, playing basketball now and again with 20-year-olds. So it's just a good feeling to have your health. It's one thing to have money, Jarvis, but if you don't have your health, it's not good. So that's what the workshop is going to be on. I want to invite everybody out to it. You can call and register for it. It's going to be January 23rd at 4 p.m. at the Marriott Hotel on 280. Call the number 205-422-9000. Reserve your seat because it will be packed out. And the emphasis is on health, Jarvis, getting your health together, improving the quality of your health. And again, if you don't have your health, money really doesn't matter. So you want to come, welcome to come. And if you're struggling with your weight, like I was, Jarvis, for 15 years, I set a goal every year to lose weight for 15 straight years, only to discover that at the end of the year, I gained weight. So, so again, folks, if that sounds like you, I want you to come out. But I got my breakthrough. What I discovered was this, Jarvis. The problem was in my gut. So I had to fix my gut. So after I fixed my gut, I was able to lose over 100 pounds, and I'm feeling really, really good. I feel better than I did 30 years ago. So I'm going to share with people how they can do the same thing. So it's free. So if you've been struggling with your weight, like I was for 15 years straight, but you want to know how to get it together, come on out. We're going to have a good time. So that's January 23rd at 4 p.m. Marriott Hotel on 280. Call to register because the place will be full, 205-422-9000.
Well, can you give them a little bio about yourself? I know some people ain't seen your podcast and you've been on before with me.
Yeah, absolutely. Here, myself, born in Virginia, got married, moved to Birmingham, been doing business for the last 20 some odd years. God has been kind, he's been good. And one of the things, as I looked at jobs, I knew how to make money, but when it came down to my health, I was neglecting it. So I said, I need to do a better job because I almost died. So I'm like, man, you better wake up because if you don't do something about it, this can be serious. So got on a mission now to improve my health. And so now that's my big kick right now. And I want to help other folks because if I was struggling, I know there are thousands of other folks who are struggling, and I want to do all I can to help them. So my mission for 2022, my primary focus job is, we trade in the stock market, we know how to build businesses and we do all that stuff. But my primary focus for 2022 is to help those get their health together. That's why we have this workshop. Also, I got an Olympic gold medalist going to be there. Won the gold medal. So it's going to be nice. You're going to be hearing folks' testimonies. So folks, if you're into that kind of stuff, want to get your health together, come on and hang out with us. It's free, so you don't have to pay. So January 23rd. I'm excited, Jarvis.
Well, Tim, I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, thank you.
And like you said, if you don't get your health right, you can't spend that money.
That's true. I tell you, that is so true. If you're sick and broke and sick, bad combination. So want to encourage you guys. Hey, this is what I learned, Jarvis. If you're broke and you got your health, you can hustle. But if you're broke and sick, man, that's a bad, terrible combination. So you just messed up, dude. Yes, indeed. So, folks, I don't care if you're broke, come on out. Because if you got your health, you can hustle. But if you get sick and you're broke and you can't hustle, that's not good.
Okay. Well, Tim, thank you for coming on today.
Thank you.
Everyone, please check out this upcoming event. Please check out my other podcasts, what's on what's happening Birmingham.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check me out on Apple Podcasts. Thank you all again and have a great day. And you got one more thing?
Yeah, just want to say, I'm gonna send you out an email. I'll have an email sent to you about the event, and you can share it if you like to, but it'll tell you more about it. If you want to send it to people, hey, that'll be good. But if not, hey, it's on January 23rd, 4 p.m.
All right.
Marriott Hotel. All right, thanks, Jarvis.
Thank you all again and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.